So the good thing about having points in point groups is that you can create tables out of point groups. So for example, if I move from the Home tab to the Annotate tab, I can create a table that has a list of points from a particular point group. So if I go to the Labels and Tables panel here at the Annotate tab, I can click on the down arrow that is at the Add Tables, and here at the top I find the Add Point Table command. I can click on that, and the point table creation window pops up. Here at the top I am presented with different styles of how the table will appear. Let me select the PNEZD format, and then next to this is the table layer. Here I can select a layer of choice. I can create one if I want to. I'm okay with the current layer that is selected. Now I can choose a particular point group. I can select one that I want to form a list out of. So I can click on this icon here to select the point group from a list. Let me pick the first one, and I click on OK, and the point group, as you can see, has been selected. Now the table that will be formed here, it can be split into separate sections. So here the maximum rows per table are 20, and the maximum tables per stack is 3. So meaning we'll have 3 rows of tables, and then the maximum rows, will be the rows of the points being listed. And the tables will be offset at that distance across each other. And then the behavior of these tables can either be static or dynamic, meaning these tables, if the points list are edited, these tables, if they're dynamic, they can change. So the northings, the eastings, they will change if this is dynamic. So, and if it's static, whatever we form will not be able to be changed. So once I'm okay with everything that has been displayed there, I can click OK, and I am prompted to select upper left corner of the table. And I click on that, and there you go. Yes, so the other table stacks were loading. So there we go. We have the points list showing the PEN, showing the point number, the elevation, the northing, the easting, and the description.